Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a new video from Business Bay. Today we have an exciting topic that combines the world of art and technology. We will explore how to make money online using AI generator apps. These apps utilize the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning images you can monetize. So let's jump right in. AI art generator apps are revolutionizing how we create and appreciate art. These apps leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence to generate unique and visually captivating images. You can unleash your creativity and produce incredible artwork without prior artistic skills, with just a few clicks or prompts. If you were here to search for AI art generators online, you'd find dozens of sites on the internet. However, today we will talk about only one of them. One noteworthy AI generator app we'll delve into today is Midjourney.com. This platform offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of AI-generated styles and effects you can apply to your images. Whether you want to create abstract paintings, realistic landscapes, or surreal compositions, Midjourney.com covers you. First, generating images from scratch and enhancing existing ones. Let's explore the options when using AI art generator apps like Midjourney.com. The first option is to generate an image from scratch by providing prompts and describing what you envision. You can specify the colors, themes, and overall style you desire, and the app's AI algorithms will create a unique image based on your input. For instance, create an image of astronauts playing chess on Mars with shipwreckage behind the scenes. AI will create a breathtaking image in a matter of seconds. Then you can enhance and add more touches to it. Another option is to enhance an existing image using AI effects. This is particularly useful when working with public domain images, which are copyright-free and can be freely used and modify. You must go to google.com and search for public domain images like pexels.com, pixabay.com, unslash.com, and lots more. Type public domain images, specify the image type you're looking for, and dive into them to choose a good picture that suits you. You can select even famous photos to work on them. By applying AI effects and styles to these images, you can transform them into stunning pieces of art, as if Leonardo da Vinci or Van Gogh were reborn again. Once you've created your image or set of images, it is time to make some money. So let's get straight into it. Second, monetizing AI-generated art on Etsy. Now let's discuss the exciting opportunity to monetize your AI-generated artwork. One popular platform for selling handmade and unique items is Etsy.com. Etsy provides a marketplace where creators like you can showcase and sell their artwork to a global audience. It is an e-commerce company focused on handmade or vintage items and craft supplies. Etsy reached 470 million monthly visitors in March 2023, and guess what? That number keeps getting more significant. Its estimated revenue was $2.6 billion last year, which makes it a perfect place to show and introduce your images and start making money off of them. However, be mindful that you need to do your due diligence first. You have to search for images of art that have a higher number of visitors per month, with relatively low competition, preferably less than 1,000. After all, you are here to make money. So perhaps you may need to consider some plugins to help you decide which image of which product to go with. For instance, you can use SaleSamurai.io, a tool created for Etsy sellers to analyze keywords and use analytics to find ways to improve their shop and bring in more sales. We aim to find the most searched item or product with the lowest competition. And this website will provide you with the data you need. You can take the AI-generated images from Midjourney.com and turn them into physical products. For example, you can create wall art by printing photos on high-quality canvases or framing them for a professional touch. Additionally, you can explore printing the images on various items like t-shirts, caps, cups, and more, which can also expand your profit margin. To streamline the process of generating printable items, you can connect your Etsy.com account with print-on-demand services. And some of the best sites to start with are Printify.com and Printful.com, where you can easily connect your Etsy store. These services allow you to upload your designs, set the products you want to offer, and handle the printing and shipping processes on your behalf. This way, you can focus on creating and promoting your art while leaving the logistics to the experts. Third, profit potential on Etsy. Let's explore the profit potential of selling AI-generated art on Etsy.com. Let's say you create a stunning wall art piece using an AI-generated image and decide to sell it for $55. It's important to factor in the cost of production, including materials, printing, and packaging. Assuming the total cost per unit is $20, you would profit $35 per sale. Imagine if you could sell this wall art to 100 customers per month or even more. That would mean an additional profit of $3,500 or more every month. The best part is, the better the images you create, the more you can charge for them. Some pictures sell for hundreds of dollars on the platform. All you have to do is put in the work and watch the magic happen. Of course, the number of sales will depend on factors such as the uniqueness and appeal of your artwork, your marketing efforts, and the demand for AI-generated art in the market. But with the right strategy and quality creations, the income potential can be substantial. In addition to selling your AI-generated artwork on platforms like Etsy, there's another fantastic opportunity to generate income by introducing your images into stock image websites. These websites, such as Shutterstock.com, Unsplash.com, AdobeStock.com, and many others, provide a vast marketplace for photographers, designers, and artists to showcase and sell their images to a global audience. By submitting your AI-generated images to these stock image websites, you can tap into a broader customer base and potentially earn passive income. These platforms offer various licensing options, allowing customers to purchase and use your images for commercial or personal purposes. Each time someone licenses your image, you receive a royalty payment. It's important to note that when submitting your AI-generated images to stock image websites, you must ensure they meet the platform's guidelines and quality standards. Consider factors such as image resolution, composition, and relevance to popular topics or themes. Creating high-quality, in-demand images increases your chances of attracting customers and generating consistent revenue. The beauty of stock image websites is that they provide a passive income stream. Once your images are uploaded and approved, they remain available for purchase indefinitely, allowing you to earn money even while you focus on creating new artwork. This makes it an excellent opportunity for artists to diversify their income and reach a wider audience. So, besides selling your AI-generated artwork on Etsy, remember to explore the potential of stock image websites. Maximizing your online presence across multiple platforms increases your chances of success and profitability in the world of AI art generation. With the power of AI art generator apps, platforms like Etsy and stock image websites, the opportunities to make money online with your AI-generated images are truly remarkable and have never been easier. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, or license your photos on stock image websites, there's no limit to your earning potential. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, creativity, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Keep refining your skills, exploring new AI art styles, and adapting to the market's ever-changing demands. And remember to promote your work through social media, websites, and other online channels to maximize your visibility and attract potential buyers. Thank you for joining us today on this exciting journey into the world of AI art and monetization. We hope these strategies and insights inspire you to embark on your creative and profitable path. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with others who may find it valuable. I have every confidence that you will succeed in your efforts to generate income through AI art creation. Best of luck to you! And remember, with passion, persistence, and a touch of technological innovation, you can turn your artistic talents into a lucrative source of income. Until next time, keep creating, exploring, and embracing AI art's endless possibilities.